Hi, my name is Benjamin, and together with my partner Wei En, today we'll be sharing on our Orbital project, plaNwithUS. So, the source of inspiration for our project was originally NUS Mods, which offers NUS students a convenient way to look up modules and plan their timetables. However, one feature of NUS Mods which we found lacking was its planner interface, which is currently in beta. So, although the planner is useful for prerequisite checking, it is unable to check study plans against course requirements, and students often have to resort to using other tools such as Excel spreadsheets to accurately plan their modules. Hence, here's where our project comes in, introducing plaNwithUS, an advanced module planner that verifies study plans based on crowdsourced course requirements.
I'll be talking about the course requirement specification system, which I will abbreviate as CRSS. So courses in NUS tend to be rather complex, and as you can see here on the right side, this is a snippet of the CES course requirements, and all the underlying parts are things which students need to take note of. Because there's so many different things to take note, students often find planning modules to be quite difficult, and they will have to resort to tools such as Excel spreadsheets in order to plan their modules. In order to deal with the complexity of these courses, we have decided to develop a YAML-based domain-specific language. On the right side here, you can see that we have a snippet of our DSL, which shows the computer science course. This specifies the logic of a course in a human-readable format, and the format of this DSL is such that it is modular and extensible, so it can be easily reused by different users for different courses. The DSL is based around a block structure, and course requirements are divided into blocks which can contain other blocks. For example, if you look at the top right, we have the 3K-4K block, and this block contains the 3K-core block. Each block is evaluated in 3 stages. The first stage is a match stage where modules are matched based on patterns. For example, the 3K-core block matches the two modules PC3130 and PC3193. The second stage is the assign stage where modules can be assigned to other blocks. In the 3K-4K block, you can see that the assign stage specifies a few other blocks representing the different parts of this course requirement. Lastly, we have the satisfy stage where a set of constraints are imposed. For example, the 3K-4K block has the constraints of modular credits being greater or equal to 49 and lesser than or equal to 52.
Now I'll be talking about the graphical user interface which we've designed. So here's a quick screenshot of the plaNwithUS GUI, which is designed as a web application. Now I'll briefly go through the different features of the web application. So firstly, to ensure that our web application is user-friendly, we designed a drag and drop based interface, which makes it very convenient for users to select the modules and drag it and drop it across different semesters. Additionally, we utilize up-to-date information from the NUS Mods API to allow users to select the latest modules, as well as to provide information such as module credits and prerequisites. So our web application will also provide warnings when there are issues with the selected study plan, such as when there are duplicate modules or missing prerequisites. Finally, the key feature of our web application is its integration with the CRSS. So this allows users to select from one of our predefined blocks in the CRSS. So currently we have about 10 blocks from various faculties available. So after a block has been selected, modules which match the requirements of the block will be highlighted. For instance, in this screenshot here, after the computer science block has been selected, modules which are required for the computer science degree, such as ES2660 and CS2040S, are highlighted, a different color from MA2101S, which is not required. Additionally, our GUI also provides a sidebar where users are able to see the details of the block, including its various components and the different subblocks. The block schemas are also accessible inline, so users are able to check what modules are actually required for these blocks, for easier planning.
Lastly, I'll be speaking about the future plans that we have. Currently, plaNwithUS is still at the prototype stage, but I plan to implement the following. Firstly, we'll be redesigning our CRSS to improve the ease of writing course requirements. Secondly, we'll be doing a better visualization of course requirements. Afterwards, we'll try to support complex course combinations such as major or minor combinations and double degrees. And lastly, we'll be integrating module suggestions. Eventually, we hope to integrate our planner into NUS mods. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you.